Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So, dear students, we are continuing our second class regarding the burners and their first aid treatment. तो जो last class में हमने start किया था regarding the accidents, like there are different accidents which can happen in the lab, minor accidents, and then what is the first aid treatment we should do for that. So in the last class we discussed that in the burns there are around 7 types. Burns by the heat, flame, hot objects, that's one. If it burns by the boiling water, which are called scalds, then burns by the bromine, burns with these acidic burns, then alkaline burns, sodium burns and phosphorus burns. ठीक? So in the last class we discussed the first aid treatment for heat burns and your boiling water burns. So now we have 4 categories to be discussed. That's burns which occur due to acid. यानी अगर एसिड आपका गिर जाता है कहीं पे, फॉर एग्जाम्पल फिंगर पे, हैंड पे, एनी एसिड लाइक सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड पर्टिकुलरली कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड, सो व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट एड ट्रीटमेंट. लाइकली अगर alkali drops, if your alkali gets spilled somewhere on any part of the body, let's say hand, so what is the first aid treatment? So they are called as the alkaline burn. फिर इस तरीके से सोडियम जो हम यूज कर लेते हैं in the chemistry lab for some chemical reactions and also for the detection, like to prepare that sodium extract. So there are chances of burns due to the sodium called as sodium burns. Likely we have the phosphorus burns. So today we'll be discussing these 4. So we start with the number 1, that is your acidic burn. So we'll do the number 1, that's your acidic burn. So if we have acidic burn, what is the first aid treatment? Acidic burn. That means जो भी burn, whether your hand, finger or your feet or any part of the body, if it burns due to the spilling of the acid, particularly the concentrated acid, so what should we do? Acidic burn के लिए जो first aid treatment है, that is you can do is that, तो जैसे ही it got spilled on your finger or hand, ठीक? So what should we do is that we should wash it freely immediately. So wash immediately with water. Wash immediately with water, or you should say wash freely. Freely का मतलब जो है, you can directly go towards the sink, or you can directly go towards the tap. ठीक है. So जो टैप आपके सिंक के पास होगा, you can put your hand or put your finger या जिस पार्ट में भी you have the spilled acid, so wash it freely with the water. ये स्टेप नंबर 1 आपका होगा. उसके बाद what you should do in the next step, you can actually wash that particular part where the acid has got spilled, wash with saturated solution of bicarbonate. Saturated solution of bicarbonate, that is sodium bicarbonate. जो solutions हमारे पास होंगे which I discussed in our first aid treatment kit, so that should be ready and you should wash it next with the saturated solution of sodium bicarbonate, and then again wash it with water. Let's say finger पे आपका acid गिर चुका है, so wash it with water then 3rd time. Now, so that this should relieve you, it should keep you the relief. So if there is still the burning, अगर आपका burning action still है और आपका जो है finger still जल रहा है, it has, that means the burning persists. So if your burning persists, then what you do? So still, if the burning persists, so what should you do is you wipe it with the cotton. जो आपका फिंगर होगा, wipe with the cotton. आपसे कॉटन से साफ कर लीजिए. Wipe with that cotton which will be available in your first aid treatment kit. Wipe with the cotton and then you can apply the oils like sarson oil, and you can also apply that tube called as Bernal. So this is the first aid treatment as far as the acidic burns are concerned. ठीक है, that's very simple. But this is very important क्योंकि acids के साथ we usually deal in the chemistry lab. Even whenever we have a practical or we are doing a research, you will be having sulfuric acid, you will be having your nitric acid, or you will be having your phosphoric acid, HCl concentrated. So you must be ready and you must be having this particular knowledge regarding the burners and their first aid treatment, acidic burns. Now the second है हमारा, that is now left, that is bromine burn. So if a particular part, if there's an accident, and that is the burners which is due to the spilling of bromine. ठीक है, for example, particularly जब हम organic reactions करते हैं bromination, तो उसमें we have those bottles. No, this is very one must be highly expert while using that particular bromine bottle. So how to take bromine away from that bottle and then do a particular chemical reaction. So if somehow the accident occurs, bromine got spilled, bromine got onto your hand, so what should you do? You have the burning action immediately on your hand. So what should you do? So uska jo first aid treatment hai for the bromine burners, that is, you do one thing is that wash your part immediately. Wash your hand, for example. अगर ये हैंड पे स्पिल हुआ, wash your hand immediately without any delay. So immediately wash that particular hand. लेकिन wash किससे करना है? You have to wash that not with the water but with petroleum. ठीक है, you can use the light petroleum, that's much better, light petroleum. To wash your hand with light petroleum and then this is followed by rubbing. उसके बाद आप इसे rub कर लीजिए, rub with glycerine. जो glycerine आपके पास होगा लैब में, glycerine bottles usually are present in the chemistry lab, so you must rub that with the glycerine. लेकिन you have to rub it very much. You know, जहाँ पे भी skin में burning होगी, then you rub that thoroughly with the glycerine. So this is the first aid treatment regarding the bromine burners. ठीक है? Then we have another type of burn. So this is our another type of burn in today's class. Then we can also take next burn, that's alkali burn. If sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, caustic soda, it got spilled on your hand or your finger or your feet or whatever, so it produces a burn called as the alkali burn. So alkali burn mein what is the first aid treatment? First of all, wash freely with water. Wash freely with water. Number one, immediately. इसको delay नहीं करना है. This is followed by washing with 1% of acetic acid. 1% of acetic acid. पहले आप टैप के पास जाइए, you take your finger there, then wash it freely. उसके बाद apply 1% of acetic acid, and then again apply this water. फिर से wash कीजिए water से again. ठीक? तो once you have done this with that, so then you dry your skin after this process. Dry your जो भी part आपका होगा, so you dry that. So dry your skin and then apply the tube called as Bernol. It's very, very useful for this burning process. So if your alkali burn, wash freely with water, apply 1% of acetic acid solution जो आपके kit में already prepared होगा, and then dry the skin with cotton or whatever means, or a cloth, also clean cloth. Then you apply Bernol on that. So this is your first aid treatment for alkali burns. So likely if you have burn like sodium burn. So another type of burn is your sodium burn. तो सोडियम बर्न से मैंने कहा कि सोडियम इज वी नो इट्स अ वेरी डेंजरस पर्टिकुलर इन द केमिस्ट्री लैब, यू हैव टू हैंडल दिस केयरफुली। देन इस तरह से इफ यू हैव टू डिप्लॉय इट समवेयर, फॉर एग्जांपल आपको ये खराब हो चुका है लैब में, देन यू हैव टू डंप इट समवेयर, सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल, यू नीड द एक्सपर्टाइज। But we use sodium in the chemical reactions. Then we also use sodium for detection in soda, that soda extracts. ठीक है? So उससे भी sometimes the sodium burn can happen. Now it can cause the damage. So what is the first aid treatment for sodium burns is that, और usually जब ये extend हो जाता है, the sodium gets it breaks. For example, if it's in the glassware, then it will have it will break the glassware. तो वहां से जो sodium pieces है particularly, that those pieces also will attack your finger or your hand or your mouth of your face. So जो pieces है, it is the first step is that you remove those pieces, remove sodium pieces from that particular part. You can remove them with the help of forceps. जो हमने already कहा था कि you must have forceps in your first aid kit. So remove those sodium pieces. That's step number 1. Then after that, उस skin के part से जब आपने sodium pieces निकाले, then wash that with water. Wash thoroughly, बहुत अच्छी तरह से. Wash thoroughly with water. ठीक है? So wash thoroughly that water, that part, for example your skin, and then उसके बाद में you apply 1% of 1% आप अप्लाई कर लीजिए 1% of acetic acid. Once you are done with this process, जो आपका फिंगर होगा या हैंड होगा या जो भी पार्ट होगा जहाँ पे ये सोडियम बर्न ने अटैक किया है, cover that with the cotton. ठीक है? So then cover that with the cotton जो आपके पास होगा. So cover with cotton. But यहाँ पे important है कि जो cotton है it should be soaked in ethanol. यानी आपको पहले ही सोक करके रखना है इथेनॉल में. So it should be soaked in ethanol. जो इथाइल अल्कोहल जो आपके लैब में होगा, यू कैन कीप इट समवेयर एंड देन उसमें आप कॉटन ऑलरेडी सोक के रखना है, उसी सोक से इसको कवर अप करना है. ठीक है? सो देन दिस इज द फर्स्ट एड ट्रीटमेंट फॉर सोडियम बर्न्स. देन वी हैव द लास्ट वन, दैट्स द फास्फोरस बर्न. सो द लास्ट वन इज फास्फोरस बर्न. And we know that your phosphorus use chemical reactions, use acid as a phosphorus, use phosphates, salts, and then many things. So if you got caught with the accident, if your finger or your hand, your skin got burned, they're called phosphorus burns. Phosphorus burns के लिए we are interested in the first aid treatment. That is number 1. Wash with cold water that particular hand or that particular part. So wash with cold water. So your water should be now cold. This is a bit different from what was in the above cases. There we can use the normal tap water, but wash with the cold water means 15. जो normal water के compare में that should be cold. It should not be freezed. Wash with the cold water, and then जो आपका affected part है उस पे क्या कीजिए, you can apply or you can immerse that part in the aqueous silver nitrate. Aqueous silver nitrate, यानी silver nitrate की जो solution होगी, you can immerse that finger directly into the tumbler of aqueous silver nitrate. और आपने अगर aqueous silver nitrate एक beaker में रखा है, so for example your finger got affected during the burn, so apply that burn in the aqueous silver nitrate solution. फिर उसके बाद वॉश अगेन, एंड देन फाइनली अप्लाई acri, acriflavine. You should say acriflavine. So
क्रास पता क्या होता है? ये देखो हम मिक्स, ये होता है मिक्स। देखो हमने कितने सर्वे निकाले, ये देखो अब ये देखो